From social security check to sourdough influencer, Teresa L. Greenway may seem like any other woman in her 50s to 60s living off social security. But let me tell you her extraordinary story. Teresa is a sourdough fanatic who has been baking bread for most of her life. But it wasn't until 2004 she began teaching her culinary expertise to others and built a business around teaching others how to bake real sourdough bread at home. She started small, but her passion for sourdough led her to become an influencer in her niche, earning a whopping of $80,000 annually. What is her secret? 16 years ago, she began her baking journey with a website dedicated to helping others learn to bake with sourdough. Teresa also started teaching on Udemy, and in 2015, she was voted one of the top 10 instructors on the platform. Her skills caught the attention of the Udemy team, who invited her to give 2 workshops at Udemy Live in 2016. In 2015, she was invited to Belgium to attend the Quest for Sourdough. Today, Teresa has 13 online sourdough baking courses on Udemy. Her ebooks are available on Amazon and Etsy. She has one of the largest sourdough baking groups on the internet, Perfect Sourdough, on Facebook, reaching 118,800 followers. Her YouTube channel, The Baking Network, has over 300 learning videos. She even started a new membership site, Northwest Sourdough, for fellow bread lovers to join. Her bread recipes and formulas from her books, blog, and baking courses have been featured on TV and online forums. She has also written baking product reviews. Amazing, isn't it? What is truly inspiring about Teresa's story is, it all started with her love for baking and a desire to teach others. Despite her son's autism, she found a way to earn a living through her passion and became a stay-at-home mom. And now, she's an influencer, author, and teacher, spreading her love for sourdough to the world. Hi, I'm Sean Sia. As a serial entrepreneur who has already created multiple 7-figure companies, I'm thrilled to have the opportunity of helping people around the world generate income streams by building powerful personal brands online. At Next Level, we teach you how to build your following and monetize that following so you can create a sustainable income stream. How to build your online personal brand. So to end off, what can we learn from Teresa's story? Teresa's story is a shining example of how passion and dedication can help you turn your dreams into reality, no matter what obstacles stand in the way. She turned what seemed to be a daunting situation into an inspiring success story. Despite having retired on social security checks and raising a child with autism as a stay-at-home mom, she persevered until her sourdough baking business became influential. In short, anyone has the potential for success when they dedicate themselves to their passions. So if you are ready to become a highly paid creator by following our proven blueprint step by step, I'll see you at my upcoming Next Level Creators Masterclass, where I share with you more powerful strategies that will blow you away.